The Indian contingent returned with 61 medals from the Commonwealth Games this year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said that the golden period of Indian sports is knocking on the doors as he hailed the gutsy show of the Indian athletes. While gold medal winning boxer Nikhat Zareen gifted the Prime Minister her boxing gloves, sprinter Hima Das gave the traditional Assamese gamcha to Modi. The Prime Minister hosted the Indian contingent at his residence to facilitate the players for their achievements on Saturday. Nikhat Zareen tweeted, "Honoured to gift the boxing gloves signed by all the pugilists to our Honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir. Thank you for this amazing opportunity. A great day spent with my fellow athletes who have made the country proud." Hima Das also extended her gratitude to Prime Minister Modi for felicitating the achievers and wrote, "Elated to receive blessings from our Honourable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji by virtue of Commonwealth Games 2022. Fortunate to have presented him with our traditional gamcha, wrapped with immense gratitude from all of Assam." Champion weightlifter Mirabai Chanu, who won the gold medal at the Commonwealth Games this year, a year after her historic silver at the Tokyo Olympics, thanked the Prime Minister for his words of encouragement. Honoured to meet and interact with our Honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Modi during his speech talked about India's spectacular performance at the Commonwealth Games this year. He said, and I quote, "The real assessment of this performance can't be made with just number of medals. Our athletes competed neck to neck. There may have been a difference of 1 centimeter, but we will make that up. I'm confident of that," Modi said during his speech. "It is just a start and we are not going to just sit quietly. Golden period of Indian sports is knocking on the doors." The Indian athletes produced a sensational show in Birmingham, claiming 61 medals, including 22 gold, 16 silver and 23 bronze, and produced a dominating show in badminton, wrestling and weightlifting.